Now you can also dub your video in any language in the world and upload it to any social media platform. You can create an AI avatar for your online business that will explain your words. You can exchange your face with anyone in the world. And you can have AI generate images. With its help, you can create images from AI. This is especially great for those who want to personalize and easily create videos, photos, and visual content. So let's get started. My name is Wahid, and you are watching my YouTube channel Get AI Smart. The name of this AI tool is Acool. So let's go to their website and take a look at their tools. First, you have to sign up. Here you have to give your first name. And here is the last name. Here you have to enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. You can also log in with Google. I'm logging in with Google here. The first tool we get is Face Swap. So let's understand Face Swap with an example. Here we have to select the image whose face we want to change. This will take some time. So this is our image, and we will change it with this face. And click this button. This image is generating. We can see the result here below. So as you can see, he changed his face so easily. Let's look at another example. This is amazing. This is the face swap of the Acool. This watermark is showing because you are using its free version. We will talk about its planning at the end. The second tool we will talk about is Talking Water. This is the Chose Water section. You can also see all the water from here. And this is the script section. You can also upload your own audio. From here, you can choose your voice. Then we have to click on this button and our voice will be ready.
Welcome to the Acool Generative AI Content Creation Tool. Enter any text here to generate a voice file.
As you can hear the voice. Then we have to click on this button and our avatar will be created. We can see it from here. This will take some time to process. This is taking a lot of time and I'll show you the final result. Your result is ready.
Welcome to the Acool Generative AI Content Creation Tool. Enter any text here to generate a voice file.
This is amazing. You can see how well it has explained our words. And you can download it from here. So that was Acool AI Water tool. And the third tool is video translation. This is my favorite tool. So this is the video translation section. From here, you can also upload your video and paste the URL of your video. There is a function here. This function of Studio Voice is for premium users. We're trying out the demo right now. So let's get started.
It is actually like a passion of mine, and like I find so much comfort and joy in like actually finding where I think I could better myself and being like, even if it's physical, like physical as in like my physical health, or I love working on myself. Like it is actually like a...
As you can hear, this video is in English. We will translate it into Hindi. Our source language is English, but we'll leave it at auto detect. Our target language is Hindi. We will leave the number of speakers on auto detect. Here we will keep the lip sync turned on, which will further improve the translation. You can also check out the advanced settings. And finally, click on the translate button. This will take some time to process. Our video has been translated.
मुझे अपने आप पर काम करना पसंद है। ये वास्तव में मेरी एक जुनून है और मुझे बस बहुत सी सांत्वना और खुशी मिलती है वास्तव में ये खोजने में कि मैं अपने आप को कैसे बेहतर बना सकता हूं, और ये सोचकर कि भले ही ये शारीरिक हो, जैसे मेरी शारीरिक सेहत या...
You can see how well this tool has done lip syncing and such a great translation, but there are still small errors in it. So this was a cool video translation tool. At number 4, we have the image generator, which we can usually generate an image by giving a prompt. So this is the interface of the image generator tool. Here we get two options, text to image and image to image. Image to image option is paid. This is for premium users. Here we can write our prompt. From here, we can scale our image. I like this picture. I'm going to get an image from this prompt. I'm keeping the scale 1:1 here. This will take some time. Our image is ready. You can see how realistic the image it has generated is. This is actually very wonderful, and it can be very helpful for you. Acool provides us with even more tools like video editing, live face swap, streaming avatar, AI Sport Agent, video campaign. So as I said, we will talk about its pricing at the end, so let's move on to its pricing section. So this is the pricing section of Acool. If you buy its annual plan, you get 30% off. And if you buy its monthly plan, you don't get 30% off. We get their 5 plans: Basic, Pro, Max, Studio, and Enterprise. So let's talk about its basic plan. On basic plan number 1, we can generate 25 images and edit a 1.5-minute video. And number 2, we can create 3 customized instant water. There is a limitation on the upload file size, in which you cannot upload video or image that are more than 150 megabytes and 30 seconds long. And more than 60 public avatar can create. There is also a limitation in upload quality, in which you can only upload videos of 720 resolution, and only 3 members can be added to it. We are currently using the current plan. If you want to buy its subscription, you can see its other plans. I hope this video was informative for you and will help you make your work easier. I have given its link in the description. You can check it out this website. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel.